Morena Tamariki. Kei te pia he a koe? Kei te pai aho. I am good, thank you. Hope that you guys are all good. It's a wee bit makariri this morning. I'm just out walking, Miss Aya. We're out walking and I can hear some pretty noisy manus in the sky. Some manus, some birds in the sky. But it's nice to hear all the birds. So I thought this morning we could show Mummy and Daddy and Grandma, Granddad, aunties, uncles, brothers, sisters, our welcome song that we sing at mat time. And we can teach them. How's that sound? Alright. So I thought this morning we'll do both. We'll do tēnā koe and we'll do morena. Okay, we'll start off with tēnā koe first. Ready? Toru, wha. Tēnā koe, hello to one. Tēnā korua, hello to two. Tēnā koutou, hello to all. Haere mai everyone, welcome everyone. Tēnā pai, well done. And then, should we sing our morena? Okay, that's going to be tricky with one hand. Okay, you ready? Toru, wha. Morena, morena, we are glad to see you. Morena, morena, we are glad to see you. Haere mai, open up the doors and come on in. Morena, morena, we are pleased to see you. Tēnā pai. So maybe you can help Mum and Dad learn those songs. Alright, miss you all guys, can't wait to see you soon. Hope that you have a fabulous Sunday. Take care. Ngā mihi.